I was hoping to talk to you today about some more SEMA stuff. So I have a bunch of products that are on the way. Also, it's Black Friday's around the corner. I'm seeing stuff already start to go on sale. Picked up a couple things. I'm going to do a video just on the things that I found that I think are really, really good deals. Like if you're thinking about this or that, you should jump on them. But what I want to talk about were some things that arrived this week. So I got a t-shirt from Tecton, which is actually really nice. It's a Next Level, which I've had before and liked them. On the front, it just has a simple Tecton Grand Rapids, Michigan logo. On the back, it's blank. Seems pretty nice. I also picked up a shirt from Newspeed. Newspeed is, NM Engineering is part of Newspeed. Newspeed is more their Volkswagen brand, just like Dyna and APR. So here's the front, there's the back. I'm sure you'll see me wearing these shirts. This one is I'm actually not sure who makes this, but it's a pretty nice shirt. So try these out, see how they fit. I picked up another Newspeed filter for my intake on the Mini. I cleaned out the one that was in it, but I'm gonna swap it out next because it's been a couple times and I've cleaned it out now and it's time. So what I wanted to talk about today on the video is this. So this is another Autofiber product. This came with the barrel blade wheel cleaner. So if you haven't watched that video, please do. It's actually a pretty awesome product. I like it a lot. So this is something called the Reacher. And this is a glass cleaner, so windshield cleaner or glass cleaner. So here's what's in the box. We have the actual tool itself. We have a foam pad, and then we have 3 of these like towels. They're double-sided. So let me just get this unboxed here real quick. All right, so here we have the actual tool itself. You can see the length. It's about, a little bit shorter than my forearm. It does have a threaded end on it, so you could put it on a stick or something if you needed something a little bit longer, which is cool. This comes with this foam pad, which is designed to get into the edges, but it's flexible, which seems pretty nice. There is a Velcro on the stick, so it just kind of sits on the back like that. And then it comes with these pads. This is called a flipper pad, I think they said. But it comes with 3 in the kit. I ordered 3 more, so I actually have 6 of these. And on this side, it's kind of like a very, very tight weave, like a scrub. And then this side is a more of a microfiber loop. And this is supposed to kind of sit on the inside of this, and you use it to clean your windshield or whatever window you want to. You don't have to limit to windshield. What's cool about these pads is they are, you can turn them inside out, and they're the same on both sides. So if you flip this one inside out, you can see that it's still microfiber on that side, and it's still a scrubber on that side. So these are really designed for interior window cleaning, but I'm going to show it to you here on camera. I'm just going to do the outside of the windshield of the Mini because it's pretty dirty, and we'll try it out, and we'll see what we think of it. I haven't tried it yet. All right, so here we have the Mini. I've got some, this is Stoner Invisible Glass in a press-all bottle, so I'm just going to spray it on the exterior of the window. And it looks like I took a big rock chip there. That's fun. Okay. Maybe I'll be doing another video on a windshield in the Mini soon. All right, so I'm going to start off with this side and just kind of use this as a scrubber because it's got like this kind of waffle pattern, and we'll see how close I can get into the edges and that kind of stuff. This actually works really well. Let's get the other side. It's actually pretty cool. All right, so on the back of it, you'll see I've got some like black lines all the way around where it was against the windshield. So what I'm gonna do is spin it around to the other side. I'm just gonna lightly spray. We'll just go over it again, just because this was so dirty. But I will say, it is really good about cleaning up after itself. I don't know how it looks on camera. The windshield has a fair amount of rock chips in it, so it might not look pretty clean, but that scrubby side really took all the bug crap off. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of flip this over, and I'm going to use it on the inside, and I'm going to do the inside of the windshield. I'll just leave the camera here so that hopefully you can see. All right. So it gets into that bottom line really well, which is great. I can tuck it up in here behind my mirror. I can get it up behind my radar detector without having to take the suction cup off the roof or the windshield. Yeah, this thing works really freaking well. Wow. Yeah. The biggest competitor to this product would be this, which is the Stoner Reach and Clean tool. I actually ordered one of these for Tack for Christmas, and unfortunately he's gonna get it, and I'm gonna keep that because that thing's awesome. But this thing works really well. The problem with it, there's two problems with it, I would say. Number one, it doesn't have like a thickness to it. So it has difficulty going around contours and maintaining pressure, if that makes sense. And then number two is you have to use the pad that comes with it, and they only come with 2 pads because that's what fits it, right? So then it comes with 2 pads, so then you can do like 2 cars, maybe, if they're not that dirty, and you throw it in your rag bucket when you're done, and you wash them, and they come back and they're nice and clean, but you have to buy more of these pads. Now, this came with 3, but effectively, I would say you could probably do most of the car with 1 pad because you can flip it, and there's kind of 4 sides. Kind of went around and scrubbed everything on the outside with this. The other 3 sides would be more than enough to do the rest of it and do like a single, like I did a last spray over the outside and clean it up without residue. Obviously you can buy more pads for these, but I think that these pads are much nicer than the Stoner pads. Like the microfiber is a much higher quality. They're actually super nice. So yeah, I think this is another one from Autofiber that makes sense to have in your garage, makes sense to have in your cabinet. I would totally order one. I'm gonna put a link in the description to where you can get it on Amazon. I think Obsessed Garage is going to add them to their store too. I saw it in their SEMA coverage, but they haven't tested it or done a video on it yet, so who knows what Matt will think. But seems like a really cool product, and for now, I recommend it. We'll see how long it holds up, but it seems pretty good, honestly. It's pretty simple. And I think it was like, I wanna say it's like 30 bucks. It's not that expensive. So anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll have a great day.